Hi! In front of me is Cubot X19 S, and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration settings on this Cubot. Start by opening settings. Then you need to scroll down, tap on sound, and over here you can click on the switcher next to also vibrate full calls to turn on or off vibrations for all your incoming calls. Then scroll down, tap on shortcut to prevent ringing, tap on press power and volume up together, and over here you can click on vibrate to set it up. Then go back. Click on Advanced over here, scroll all the way down, and click on the switcher next to that vibration to enable or disable them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!